Play with him. Play with him.
My foot on the gas, foot on the neck, she I'm gon' lie. On the road to the riches, get into the bag, roll right back. And the other nigga mad, do the dash and make it sad. That shit crazy, got your bitch bad. We don't know.
Hey man, say man, it's your boy King Wavy, and we back with another video. Damn, I can't get this right. Yo, so today's video, I'm pulling the prank. I'm doing the coffin blood prank on my cousin. This joint right here. I don't know if this joint edible, but listen, we about to see how this work out. My man's mirroring in on it, so I'm about to go pick him up right now. We definitely about to pull this prank, cause she keep thinking it's a game. So listen, we about to show her. I got my shirt so I can change the joint. So basically, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna act like my heart hurting and all that, and out of nowhere I'm gonna just start coughing and choking blood and probably pass out. But we definitely gonna catch this reaction, and we definitely gonna see y'all soon, man. Until then, we're out of here. I didn't even do that right, man. In fact, until then, we're out of here.
Watch you watch. What? You miss I'm gonna punch the shit out. I hope the niggas that was on the phone can fight.
I don't think niggas like that ain't my nigga.
My heart hurts. Oh, for real.
It's not even her nigga.
Oh shit.
Ew, dog, you spitting on me and shit. Here, bro. Cause you drone. You're drooling.
Oh.
What the f is that?
Bro, I don't fucking know, bro.
He
What
dying.
did he just eat?
I didn't eat nothing, bro.
He dying.
What did he just do?
He died. Yeah, y'all, that's blood.
What did
That's
he just
blood.
do?
Oh,
That's
God.
blood, yo.
Kylie, go give me some, bro.
What the fuck
It's
am
your, I don't know, bro. Go give me a water or something, bro. Hurry up, bro. Oh my god.
Yo, the fuck? How did you get the blood on the napkin, bro?
Bro, this shit hurt.
It hurt. What you talking about? It hurt. What you mean it hurt, bro? You cool?
Bro, I think we gotta go to the hospital.
Who driving to the hospital?
Y'all is. You getting in?
Now we gotta find the nearest hospital.
Bro, record it, bro. Put the camera with it, bro. Okay, man.
Bro.
Charlie, you driving?
Can I?
Yeah, I gotta go to the
I
hospital.
mean, somebody gotta drive.
Shit.
This gonna kill us, cause he already dying. It's a bad way to
Say
fall.
another prank.
That's weird. Who does stuff like that?
See, man.
Who does stuff? Give me my f***ing water.
Yo, she's all give my fucking. Yo, you gonna throw the water
I
out?
don't give a f***. I'm about to throw your f***ing phone. You know where I'm Say sorry. Say the fuck sorry.
You gonna miss me?
Yes, say sorry.
Bro, why she mad, bro?
I'm not even playing right now. Say sorry, because that's not even funny. I thought you was really dying.
No.
You was a dick.
That's not funny.
Yo, you retarded.
Yeah.
You just shirt and you got it on your pants.
What is that?
Listen, I told you I was about to bring her. We took all that. He mad. Listen, I'm gonna need you to leave this joint. Some comments and some like, yo, can you pay my shirt up a bit?
No, I'm not passing you shit, bitch.
She bet. Oh,
Don't touch me for the rest of wherever we go.
come on, pass me my shirt. Listen, we definitely got her, bro. She mad. Look at her.
Not funny. I really want to you up right now.
She mad, but I definitely need y'all to leave the comments. I need y'all to leave me some likes and all that. Listen, we coming with bangers. I am not playing. But listen, let me get out of here before she makes me for real. But I'll definitely see y'all soon. We out of here.
Clout chaser, clout chaser, clout chaser. You a clout chaser, clout chaser, clout chaser, clout chaser, clout chaser, clout chaser.